With the turbo cooker, cook faster, tastier, and healthier. Turbo's patented steam cooking system allows you to cook complete meals in a single piece of cookware.
Watch this, guys. Half a cup of water.
Fry, boil, and steam in the same pan. Forget to thaw your ingredients?
It's so frozen. And it cooks in 12 minutes. Tender and juicy, frozen to finish in 12 minutes.
Need to feed different appetites? Turbo's multi-level system allows you to cook different courses at the same time. Choose the perfect meal for you or your family from hundreds of turbo cooker recipes. The turbo cooker lets you cook, bake, even fry with water. Turbo's dome cover is the secret to harnessing the power of steam cooking. Steam from boiling water rises along the unique curvature of our patented dome cover, creating a convection current that cooks food while keeping it moist and tender. The dome cover also reflects radiant energy, making cooking even more efficient. The turbo can be used on all stovetops, including magnetic induction. It has an advanced non-stick coating and is dishwasher safe. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, even dessert. Turbo is super, and you'll be the hero.